Welcome back. In today's video, now we will discuss variable and what is the difference between random variable. A random variable is a set of possible values from a random experiment. So, for example, a random variable we have created, which is x. So, if I create x over here, so this is x, yeah. Now, a possible value. So, if I flip a coin, yeah, whenever we flip a coin, we can either get 0 or we get 1. There is no other thing you can get. So head or tail. So what we have done, we have put head as 0. That's your possible value. And your tail is 1. So it says over here, let give them a value head equals to 0 and tail equals to 1. And we have a random variable x. We can do that same thing with the dice when you have 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can put 6 possible outcomes in that random variable, and you can create that random variable k, for example. Now let's discuss it further. A random variable in a real life example, so for example, number of items sold, that is discrete. Number of customers, that's also discrete. That cannot change. For example, number of customers shopping currently at 6 p.m. in X shopping center are 400. So the number will be 400. Number of traffic accident on a road, 600, 500, 3, 4 is a discrete number. Now, when we are talking about continuous, interest rate is continuous. It will change. In May it will be different. In July it will be different. Human weight, animal weight, your height, that's also continuous. So a random variable, real life examples are number of items sold, number of customers, number of traffic accident, interest rate, animal weight.